battery.
Oo nga.
Ito yung electric fan. Ito yung button. Ito yung nagpapagana sa kanya. Oh. Pero gumagana siya pareho. Oh. Pero magkaka-connection siya. Mag-connection siya. Pero pag ito lang, tsaka ito lang, isa lang ang gumagana. Hindi siya hindi kagaya pag pindot, dalawa ka agad yung umaano. Pero pareho sila magka-battery.
Parallel.
Oh, series. Parallel ulit. So, series. Ganyan. Nasaan ba ito?
Okay, students, we have a reminder na kami po tayo mag-proceed sa last videos. As you can see, meron po tayong station.
Bakit nagkukulay blue ito pero pag nilagay ito kulay white? Kulay white lang ang tubig ang nilagay dyan, ba't nagkulay?
Okay, once again, no running, no shouting, and
Laba lang.
no pushing.
Ha? Ano Abi? Bakit naging ganun yan? Ano yung nasa loob niya?
Okay, sporters, once again, if you're done exploring, pwede na po tayo mag-proceed. Sit po natin, please double check your personal belongings, such as cell phones, bags, wallets,
I just wanna see animals.
Once again, bawal po natin buksan ang mga vivariums na meron po tayo sa ating station number 4. Okay, para naman po sa ating remote control Stingray. So please, one at a time lang po ang paggamit para maka-experience ang lahat. And please do not touch the water as well as the Stingray. So only the controller lamang po ang pwede nating hawakan.
Ate Abby, I'm gonna see this. Oh, wow.
And please kindly double check your personal belongings, such as cell phones, bags, wallets, IDs, and water tumblers. Because the management staff of Mindspark Museum are not liable to any lost items. So here in etymology, we have vivariums, where you can see different kinds of evolution of insects and animals. So kindly read the infographics right in front of you to see every description and for more information.
Ayan o, magiging ganon. Then magiging ganito. Ano next? Ito. Ito yun. Ano yun? Snails. Laki.
Okay, and if you're looking for entertainment, we have remote control Stingray. So once again, please, one at a time lang po ang paggamit para maka-experience ang lahat. And please, do not touch the water as well as the Stingray. So only the controller lamang po ang pwede natin hawakan. Okay, to your right, we have real life, preserved insects and different variants of water plants. Okay, looking forward, you can see the exoskeleton X-rays of insects. Moving forward to our botany area, you can use the 8 microscopes where you can see different plant cells. And if ever you're finding it hard to see the specimens inside, you can see them also into our honey circles. And it is placed in our cells. And the preserved seeds of plants and fruits. We also have a real-life reserve life cycle of insects and plants here in this area. And please handle with care to all we have. here in this station number 4 to avoid any damages or penalties.
Hindi, ako nga. Ako nga.
Wala na.
Ginagamit pa, ginagamit.
O yan, okay na.
Wait lang. Wait lang naman. Try lang. Pag-wait ka, ginagamit pa, di ba?
We still have 7 minutes to explore our station number 4. So please maximize your time. So while exploring, kindly double check your personal belongings, such as cell phones, bags, wallets, IDs, and water tumblers. Because the management staff
Ako yung sila.
are liable to any lost items.
Iyo.
Wala yung kagaya nung nakita natin doon sa ano, yung nagme-mail. Ano? Yung nagme-mail.
At hindi ang haba.
Wala nga yung mahaba yung ulo.
Once again, please handle with care to our microscopes to avoid
Wala yung may
any
antena sa ulo.
damages or
Yung may antena
penalties.
sa ulo gano'n para ano. Nung nakita namin ng sports festival yun.
Mana tulo! Mana tulo! Mami! Sila lang. Tubig ka na. Ha?
Di ba may nakita tayo nagme-wait ng
Okay na.
insect ng sports fest?
Ayan o.
Wala dun sa ano. Wala dun sa mga insect doon.
Sobrang liit, hindi ko kita. Kahit kung camera. Bean. Bean. May salita. Microscope. Gusto mo i-try, kuya? Doon kabila. I wanna test each one. One lang, one lang.
ng camera. Wala ako nakikita. Wala. Kikita ko si eyelashes ko. Kuya ko naman dyan.
Buto ng ano. Minsan mas malapit. Oh, naman mo. Check mo. Wait, Liz. Wait for your turn. Hindi pa inagay pa wala?
Ate, tingnan mo to. Tingnan mo lang dito. Di ba dalaw? Mayroon ko na dalaw ko yun.
Hindi mo nakikita. Nakikita mo yan mag-isa.
Kita mo na. Ayun. Parang patay. Wala akong nilalagay.
Hindi mo nga abot, di ba? Parang mo
Nadamo yun. Ha? Wait lang, pwede ma-adjust?
Yes. Oh, dada. Ayaw, madami. Nakikita kayo. Nakikita ka ng gold. Ayan, may nakikita ka?
Kuwate kita.
Mata mo din.